Hey guys! In this video I'm gonna show you how I turned $100 into $570 in under 4 hours trading Amazon call options on Webull. Let's jump into TradingView and go over the setup. For this trade we are looking at the 1 hour chart. First let's draw out the range. As you can see, Amazon has been consolidating between about $90 and $96.50 for the past few weeks as it formed this nice double bottom pattern. We're going to draw our top side resistance line using the prior day's high at $19.63. We will be looking to take our entry as the price action breaks this resistance. Next we'll need to identify our take profit area. This will be the last high on the chart before the price broke down into the current range around $101. Let's see how this trade plays out. The price action speed has been turned up to save time, but keep in mind each candle represents 1 hour in real time. Just as we expected, once the price breaks the resistance level it easily heads right up to our target. We sell into strength and take our profits as the price nears the 101 area for a very nice win. Let's watch it again, but this time we'll zoom into a 15-minute chart so we can see the price action more closely. The first time the price crosses above the resistance level you can see it sharply reject. For a higher win rate you could wait for a 15-minute candle to close above the resistance before taking your entry. Before taking any trade you should always have a stop loss in place in case the trade turns against you. For this style trade we could either use a 15-minute close back below the resistance, or the prior 15-minute low as our stop. As you can see on this particular trade, once the price confirms the breakout there are number 15-minute candle closures back below the level before we hit our target. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something of value. If you have any questions please leave them in the comments below, and we will do our best to answer them. Please remember this content is for informational purposes only and does not guarantee results of any future trades. Thank you for watching and we hope to see you in the next video.